All right guys, let's take a look at every single light setting in this 2026 Ioniq 9. All right guys, so on your Ioniq 9, if you want to control your light settings, you just swipe left, go setup, we go vehicle, lights, and you're going to see various other adjustments. So to start off, you have one touch turn signal. So instead of clicking all the way to maintain the clicker, you just slightly turn and it's gonna flash either 3 times, 5 times, or 7 times. Now the next feature is headlight delay. So this is whenever you turn off the car. Some cars leave their lights on for just a few seconds. You can choose for this feature to be off or on. It depends on you. Now a high beam assist, which is my favorite one. You see this in Mercedes, Audi. So this feature adjusts the high beams whenever you have a car coming in the opposite way during the nighttime. The high beams are gonna dim down so that you don't blind the driver coming the opposite way. Very good feature. Now interior lights always on. Pretty self-explanatory. You keep the lights interior inside the car, always on or always off. Even if it's daytime, the evening, or whatever it is, you can have that feature to have the lights on or off depending on you. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section and we'll see you guys next time.